Is trading a good side hustle for beginner barbers that want to make more money as a barber? Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to break it down and then I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of day trading. I'm telling you this because of a point of experience. I am a barber myself, but I'm also a day trader, and I'm going to tell you exactly why every barber should start day trading in their spare time. Pro number one is that you can make money from day trading from the money that you are making from cutting hair. Call it as having your money work for you. In the stock trading, you are basically betting if the market is going to go up or if it's going to go down. And if your prediction is correct, then yes, you can make money. But if it's incorrect, you can also lose money. But there are a lot of things that you have to take into consideration so you minimize your losses. That's why you have to come up with a strategy that you take more wins than you take losses. So yes, that's a very pro benefit if you really want to have your money work for you without having to you physically work to make more money. Pro number two of starting day trading is that it doesn't take you more than 30 minutes a day. Yes, you heard it right. 30 minutes a day. If you were to just wake up at 8:30 a.m. when the market opens and you place your position at market open around 8:30 a.m. here in Chicago time, you can actually be in and out of the market within the next 30 minutes. You don't have to spend countless hours working like if you were to do Uber, or like if you were to do Amazon or another type of job where you could like potentially, yes, have a paycheck coming in, but it's better to have knowledge about a thing that you can execute for the rest of your life. And it only take you more than it won't take you more than 30 minutes. And the number three pro tip about day trading as a barber is that you can have a flexible schedule, because as a barber you have your own schedule. And let's be realistic here, not a lot of barbershops are open around 8:30 a.m. when the market opens. So that's a very good indication for you to start right now, because if you were just to wake up a little bit earlier and then execute trading in the morning, and then after you're done with the market like around 9 a.m. you can then go and take care of your customers. That's exactly how my day goes. I wake up around 7:30, I do my things, I go to the gym, I do everything that I have to get done, my morning routine, and then I go into the market at 8:30 a.m. and then I go to the barber shop. That's a pretty flexible schedule, and a lot of people are really snoozing on this. Now let's talk about the cons of starting day trading as a beginner barber. The number one con that you are gonna face is the con of losing. And if you are a person that does not like to lose money, then day trading is definitely not for you. One of the things that I do recommend though is that you have to find a community of people that are actually into day trading. So because a lot of people are not going to understand what you're doing, a lot of people are going to think that you're just betting in the market. It does not work like that. You have to find a couple of confirmations in your strategy and your judgment if the market is going to go up or down, and that is what's going to compound you over the long run. Because if you start right now and you're just betting your money, then might as well you're better off at a casino. But if you actually want to take trading seriously, I do recommend that you find a community of traders that think like you, and you guys find the strategy together and you guys execute. That's why I have Day Trading Academy, because Day Trading Academy, we do this every morning. The con number two of day trading is that you have to wake up a little bit earlier for the market opens. But if you are okay with that, I don't see why you shouldn't start day trading, because it could literally change your perspective in terms of money and in terms of your career. Because if you just only solely realize on one stream of income, which is cutting hair, you are setting yourself up for failure. You are just one injury away, one bad month away from actually going broke. So why not build a second high stream of income that you can then later on execute if you are tired? And the number three con about day trading is not actually starting. Because day trading can literally change your life if you focus on it. If you have a consistent plan, a consistent community of traders, and a consistent plan of execution every single day, it doesn't matter if you take a couple of losses here and there, the wins are always going to be compounded. Because if you have a strategy, there's no way you're gonna lose money with day trading. I've been day trading for the past 4 years, and I can tell you this from experience. I opened up my first barbershop with day trading profits. So believe me when I tell you that it works. You just have to put in the time. Yes, I did spend a lot of money on mentors, coaches, seminars, courses, but I got to a point where I actually have built a secondary stream of income because of day trading. And if it did help for me, I'm pretty sure it can help for you. So give it a try. Start to learn the basics and fundamentals of day trading, and I promise you that you will not waste your time. If you actually want to learn day trading, I have a lot of YouTube videos about day trading, but if you want to go more in depth and you want to be part of a community where we day trade every single day live in the mornings, I have Day Trading Academy, where we literally go into the markets, into the real market, and then we execute our trading plan, and you are just there literally just copying and pasting. So if that's something that interests you, you can hop on Day Trading Academy. I'm gonna give you the link down below. But if you don't really if you're not really sure about joining a community just yet, I do recommend that you check out all of my YouTube videos. I have a whole playlist about how to learn day trading. I'm gonna give you that playlist right in the description down below as well. So I hope that pretty much answers your question about if you should start day trading or not, and what are the pros and what are the cons. So if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more content about how to achieve financial stability as a barber and as a teenager as well, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications on so you receive a notification every time I post a new YouTube video. And I'll see you guys next week. Take care.